Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have admin rights and recent Windows updates applied. This avoids permission or compatibility problems. Once done, open Settings and go to Time and Language, then Language and Region to add any input languages or keyboards you need. Make sure each language shows a keyboard layout. If not, add it now. Next, navigate to Personalization and open Taskbar, so you're positioned to enable the input indicator that restores the language bar on the taskbar. Now you enable the input indicator, which is the language bar's control. In taskbar settings, choose taskbar corner icons and flip the input indicator to on. This places the indicator near the system tray. If you use multiple desktops, make sure you check the desktop where you expect it to appear, because settings can seem absent across desktops. If nothing changes, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager or sign out and sign back in to reload shell components and force the indicator to appear. Finish by confirming you have more than one keyboard layout listed under Language and Region and that the input indicator is visible on the taskbar. This ensures the switcher will show. If you use accessibility keyboard settings, verify they don't conflict by checking settings right arrow accessibility, right arrow keyboard. If the bar remains missing, run System File Checker, sfc/scano, to repair shell files. And as a last measure, inspect the registry key for input indicator enabled, set to 1, then restart Windows Explorer to apply the fix.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.